Hey guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Cooking. Today we are going to make some Spanish omelette. For that we'll need oil, some vegetables and some spices. So let's begin. First we'll break some eggs into a bowl. We'll be whisking it properly so that there are no lumps and the texture is smooth enough. After that, we are going to add all the vegetables, including carrots, around half a cup, capsicum, quarter a cup, 1 whole green chili, a handful of coriander, a little bit of thyme and some parsley, and a little bit of tomatoes for the flavor. Now we'll add spices, ginger paste and garlic paste, paprika powder, turmeric powder and kasuri methi, and salt. I've added around 1 teaspoon of each spices. You can add according to you. It may vary on your taste. After this we are going to stir it properly. We are going to stir it until it is crunchy texture. Now we'll add salt to the egg mixture. Also we are going to add black pepper to the egg mixture. After this, mix it properly so that the salt and the black pepper is combined properly. Now we'll remove the cooked vegetable into a bowl from the pan so that we can use it for the further use. After doing so, we'll be combining both the egg mixture and the vegetable mixture together so that we can proceed with making the omelette. Now mixing it properly, and then we'll pour this mixture into the pan in a circular shape approximately, and then we'll shake it. After cooking it by the one side, we need to flip it on the other so that both sides are cooked. Now we are just patting it. Now we'll flip it. We have to do it carefully because the omelette can break. After flipping it, you just need to pat a little bit so that the air forms and the omelette is cooked properly. Now we'll add some oil on top. Now our omelette is ready. It's ready to plate. We'll remove it in a plate and then we'll start plating. I prefer plating it like by cutting it into 4 slices like pizza. You can do it as whatever you want. Like, there is no method in plating. You just need to go with the flow. You just need to do what you want to do. I'm plating like overlapping the omelettes together so that it looks a little bit nice, but again I'm saying it's your wish. You can do what you want to do. After doing this, I'm going to top it with some of the sauce. Like I'm doing some design. You can do whatever you want to do, or you can just serve the sauce in the side. Here I'm using red chili ketchup. Thank you.